Mr. President, I thank you for giving me the floor. We thank Australia for tabling the resolution on report of the International Atomic Energy Agency. India values the essential role of IAEA in assisting countries to build human institutional capacities, including regulatory capabilities for the safe, secure, and peaceful applications of nuclear science and technology. The role of nuclear science and technology has been crucial in the implementation of national development strategies and recovering from the COVID pandemic while ensuring the implementation of the 2030 Agenda and in the achievement of climate goals in the context of the 2015 Paris Agreement. IAEA's activities in the field of technical cooperation and nuclear applications contribute in an important way to meeting energy needs, improving human and animal health, developing agriculture, managing the use of water resources, optimizing industrial processes, thus helping to improve the quality of life and well-being of people across the world. India welcomes the agency's flagship initiatives cutting across different areas of nuclear science and technology, such as Rays of Hope for cancer control, Zodiac for strengthening capacities to respond to zoonotic disease outbreaks, and New Tech Plastics for addressing plastic marine pollution. We also support and appreciate the support extended by IAEA to member states in response to natural disasters, outbreaks, as well as emergency situations. Mr. President, India has made significant achievements in the area of nuclear power and research applications. Indian nuclear power reactors have been setting records in uninterrupted continuous operations. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, have been operating continuously for a duration of more than a year on 53 occasions and more than 2 years on 4 occasions. Baba Atomic Research Center, or BARC, has continued to be at the forefront in advancing the non-power applications of nuclear science and technology to improve the quality of life of our citizens and contribute to the societal, economical development of the nation. India's Heavy Water Board, or HWB, which is the largest global producer of heavy water, has exported heavy water to various countries around the world for non-nuclear applications. Closed fuel cycle being the cornerstone of Indian nuclear power program, the country's own first prototype 500 megawatt fast breeder reactor at Bhavani is undergoing fuel loading, thus paving the way for first approach to criticality. Tata Memorial Center has initiated indigenous chimeric antigen receptor, or CAR, T-cell therapy in India, which brought down the cost of cancer treatment from $500,000 to $30,000. The National Cancer Grid, or NCG, is now a 310-member network across the country, which treats approximately 60% of the country's total cancer load in an cost-effective manner. India has also contributed to the agency's technical cooperation programs by seconding experts, offering training in our reputed institutions for experts from other member states. We have also supported the R&D of IAEA in participating and hosting technical meetings and coordinated research projects. We will continue to provide this support to the agency's programs. Mr. President, let me conclude by appreciating the dynamic role played by IAEA in guiding peaceful uses of nuclear energy and ensuring nuclear safety and security. We look forward to the agency's continued support to member states for providing a conducive atmosphere for growth of nuclear science and technology. As a responsible nuclear power with advanced technology, India remains committed to expand peaceful applications of nuclear technology, both in power and non-power sector, while ensuring the security of nuclear and radiological materials. India has a robust nuclear safety culture and an impeccable safety record. India will continue to support the agency in its efforts to provide a robust, sustainable, and visible global nuclear safety and security framework. Thank you.